Alright guys, in this video I will discuss how to perform update operation in Firestore in Flutter using GetX. In the last video I have discussed how to display the value from the Firestore to the list view, and this was the code, right? Now for this list style there was the on tab. Now in the on tab, here what I have done, here I have written controller.name controller.text equals to controller.employees of index.name. This means the item to which I am tapping, it will retrieve the name from that particular item and it will display it to the name text field. Similarly, it will display the address to the address text field. Okay, and after that I am calling the same method which I had used to add the employee, that is build add edit employee view. And now here I am passing the text as update. In the add edit flag I am passing 2, and in the doc ID I am passing the doc ID. If you remember, while adding I told you that the doc ID was blank and the value of add edit flag was 1, but at the time of editing the text is update, the value of add edit flag is 2, and in the doc ID I am passing the doc ID for the item to which I am tapping, right? Now if I save this, then if I go to the output, now if I tap item, then you can see the same window is generated. Now the text is update employee and the item to which I have tapped, the name Tom is displayed here and the address USA is displayed here. And whenever I will click on this button update, at that time it should update the details. Okay, and whenever I will hit on this update button, at that time what will happen, the same function, that is save update employee, will be called. Now it will check the value of add edit flag. At the time of adding it was 1 and for the time of editing it was 2. So it is checking, if it is 2 then it should update. Now while updating, first of all it will display the circular progress dialog. After that, collection reference, which is referring to this particular collection, okay, doc ID. Here I am passing the doc ID to which I want to perform the update operation, right? After that I am calling the update method, and in the update method, in the name I have passed the name, and in the address I am passing the address. And when it is complete, at that time the dialog will be cancelled, the text fields will be cleared, the bottom set will be closed. After that, if it is updated successfully, then this message will be displayed in the snack bar, and if something goes wrong, at that time the dialog will be closed again and this snack bar will be displayed, right? And for error, it should not be green, it should be red, right? Now let me save this. Now let me go to the output. Okay, now here if I hit Tom, and instead of USA, what I will do, I will change it to, let me change it to Australia, right? Now after that, hit on update. It is updating, fine. Now you can see in the list the details has been updated. If I go to the browser, then you can see the address has been changed to Australia, right? This is how we can perform update operation in Firestore in Flutter using GetX. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.